by adding a product tab block to the page. It shouldn't add anything to the page for now. Product tab block only represents the general settings of the whole tab block. Now, below, always below product tab block, add product tab item. Product tab item is a single tab element in your tab block. Okay, let's add two of them. You can basically add an infinite number of product tab items. Let's save it. So now, once you have those, you can edit their value. So I'll go to the first one and change it to header 1 and content 1, maybe with another icon. And for product tab item 2, I'll change it to header 2 and content 2. Content there. Right. So now you can see that we have a working tab element with different values. Most of the times, I like to connect it to dynamic values. And the way to do it is by going to this icon on your product page, selecting Add Meta Field. Okay. Let's call it tab data. All right. Save it. Sorry. Select its type. Multi-line or whatever. Okay. Now we've created it. And after it's already existing in Shopify, you can actually select it as the value for this field or that field. So let's remove it. Okay, save. Now you'll see that there should be nothing here. And the reason for that is because there's nothing in the meta field. So the way to add some data to the meta field is by clicking here, clicking edit value. It will immediately open it for the specific product that you're currently on in your theme editor. Okay, so it's the multi-managed snowboard, and you can add for the tab data, you can use whatever I'm at tab data. Okay, save it. Okay, of course you can go to any product in your store, for example the 3P Fulfilled Snowboard, and add its data here. Okay, now that you've added this meta field, it appears on all your products. Right, so I'll go back here, refresh that page. It takes some time for Shopify to apply the meta field settings. Right, so now you can see that we've selected this product, and on this product we have the data that appears in the tab data meta field.